Hello, my dear friend. I am Preeti Pandey, and I hope all of you good and you are doing great in your life. Keep smiling, and I am share you this channel English learning journey. I am totally beginner. If you like only one conversation video this channel, but I feel that I am not improving more, so that's why I want to become very soon fluent speaker. So that's why every day I will pick a new topic and try to speak that topic, try to explain my thought that topic. So it is all about me. So without any delay, let's try to speak my topic. My topic is a motivation. So how much important motivation we are discuss about that thing. So and I share my thought about motivation. So I think motivation is the most important if you want to do anything, because it is a work about like a fuel. But one thing that you are motivate inside, not external, because if you are motivate inside, then you motivate long term. Otherwise, if you are motivate external, so it is a short term motivation, so it is not beneficial for us. So if you are motivated, so you are aware yourself, you boost your self esteem, and you will find your way, because everyone are different and everyone learning style different. So you know about, first of all, you know about yourself, that which way you will learn anything. So that's why it is very important that you are motivate inner side. And second thing, that if you are motivated and you feel any obstacle in your goal, like if you want to reach any goal and you feel any obstacle your way, so you will fight your obstacle very good manners, because it is not possible that you can do anything and you don't find any obstacle. It is natural. If you do anything good thing, so it is definitely happens everyone that you find many obstacle in your way. So if you are motivated person, then you can tackle your problem good way. So and third thing, that if you are motivated person, then you can achieve your goal, and you are become true your thought what you want to achieve in your life. Because it is not possible that you want to do something in your life and you are achieve your goal only on 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, or 4 days. It is a very long journey if you want to achieve anything. So if you are not motivated, so you are not able to do everyday consistency, because it is very tough that everyone start our journey that I do this definitely, I do this definitely, but only on 1 day and 2 day you are doing that thing, and after 3 days back you are demotivated, because it is a human nature that you are very soon quickly, but it is not happen. So that's why motivation, it is a very important. First of all, you, because every second and third day you are feel that it is not your cup of tea. So if you are motivated your inner side, so you are boost your mind and your thought, and you take rest 1 day and 2 days, and after that you are doing your work. It is natural that after 2 and 3 days back you are feel doing motivation. And fourth thing is that don't worry. If you are motivated, so don't think more, because I saw many people who think more about an unnecessary thought happens in mind. So if you are motivated, so you are focused only on about your goal and try to reach your goal. So and please, you are motivate your situation. Why you are do this? First of all, you search your why. One time you are search your why, definitely you are motivate. You are motivate inner side, because everyone life have why. One time you are find why, so it is very easy that you are motivate always. I make mistake one place, because we are motivate any other speech, any other life, and any other situation. So my dear friend, you are motivate your situation, your why, not other, because you are motivate any other situation otherwise, so you are not motivate long term way. So it is all about me. If you like my thought, please like, share and subscribe. I know I am make lots of mistake, but I am not think about my mistake. I am think about only one, express my thought, and I try to better myself. Bye bye, take care and keep smiling.